I hear you want to make an offer on a house. Congratulations. When we come back, I'm going to show you how. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. And before we talk about how to make an offer on a house, I just wanted to welcome you to my YouTube channel. You know, if you're just beginning the home buying process, a channel like this can be a great resource to you. So I welcome you and encourage you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and that way I'll make you aware when I've uploaded my next video. So step one to make an offer on a house is determining value. You know, the seller and the listing agent have gotten together and they've picked a price, but we don't know how they went about that process. So we're gonna check on that price and make sure that it's accurate and it's to market before you sign anything. The next thing we want to take into account when it's time to make an offer on a house is earnest money. This is a place where a lot of buyers make big mistakes. Here's how. You see, earnest money is essentially just good faith money. It shows the seller that you're serious about this home purchase. Earnest money is a portion of your down payment. So you've got to make this down payment anyhow. Why not increase the earnest money since it's just going to be a portion of this anyhow? So that's what we're going to do in order to sweeten the deal in the seller's eyes and make you look stronger than your competition. The next thing we want to talk about are seller concessions. This is where we ask the seller to pay a portion of your costs, such as closing costs, or maybe we can get them to pay for a home warranty. Wouldn't that be great? Well, yeah, it would. And if we don't ask, we can't get them to do it. So ideally, we're going to write that right into the offer before we have you sign it and submit it to the seller. These are just some of the things that we're going to want to do when it's time to make an offer on a house. And in my next video, we're going to talk all about the home inspection process. So I've got a link to that below if you want to check that out. In the meantime, thanks for watching this video. See ya!